He should keep his day job, I think.
I'm Joel Tarian, and I've been an entrepreneur since I was 16 years old. I saw my first real income by age 23. Here are a few things that I've learned along the way. Making great products that customers want also includes building a company that people want to work for. Don't know where to start? Find a great mentor who is already living the life you want to live.
Hi, I'm Eve. Welcome to sunny and hot Rio de Janeiro.
Hi, and I'm Joel, and over the next few minutes, we're going to teach you everything you need to know. How much to pay for your chair, how much to pay for your umbrella, how much to pay for your drinks, and all the best places to go. So let's get started.
Okay, when you're on the beach, you definitely want to rent one of umbrellas because Rio is extremely hot. The bigger one is 15, the smaller one is 10 reals. If you want to have extra chair, so each chair is 5 reals, so $1 the whole day. I think it's pretty reasonable and it's comfortable if you want to just stay all day long on the beach. Okay, so we're going to get caipirinha, which is Brazil.
Drink.
Yeah, and I guess it's a national drink. So
And this has got like 5 ounces of alcohol in it, so they're very, very generous.
on alcohol.
This puts me in party mode for a good 4 or 5 hours. So
Yeah.
they're you know, it's
So-
not like your regular drink.
So let's count how would your vacation day, I mean it depends on how much you buy, but we so far spent
$2, $1, $1, $4, and $3. And yeah, it's a Sunday, so it's really busy here. Amazing, awesome people.
yeah.
Just great time.
Yeah, so far it's been nothing but a wonderful experience in Rio. People are very smiley, seems to be very kind, so we are just enjoying ourselves. So we'll see you soon. Cheers!
He should keep his day job, I think.
Filming. I'm filming you, you're filming me.
Right now we are taking this zipline car transportation, and it takes like approximately, what, 2 minutes to
Not
get
even,
there?
yeah, it was really quick. And in the middle part, they have cafes, they have places you can eat.
You can buy
see right here.
souvenirs.
They even have, we didn't do this tour, we did another helicopter tour, but they have a tour where you can grab a helicopter, go right to Christ the Redeemer.
So here we are halfway up Sugarloaf Mountain, an absolutely stunning view here in Rio.
Look at this view. This city is absolutely gorgeous, you know, in between these mountains. Right there you can see
Christ the Redeemer.
Yeah, and it's just lovely, lovely, lovely.
So Miss Eve, what did it cost as adults and children to get to halfway up, and then we'll soon be going all the way up?
For adults, it's $20. For younger kids between 13 and 21, you pay $10. And for people who are older 60 years, you pay $10.
So be sure to bring your ID, because I tried to get in for 13, it didn't work.
They,
Tried to get in for 60, it didn't work, but it did for her.
it did for me.
All right. It's not busy, so I would highly recommend you go during the week. Now we're going to take lift number 2 to the top of Boob Mountain, baby. I mean Sugarloaf.
So we are back from the Sugarloaf Mountain to this middle mountain, and we made a stop. It's very neat actually how they made it, like, you know, different places to eat, to enjoy ourselves.
So like Sugar Mama took us to Sugarloaf, and then we had some sugar in our ice cream.
Lots of sugar today, baby.
So that concludes our Sugar Loaf.
Sugarloaf.
Politically correct this time.
You get this beautiful view from there, all these mountains. Like, the nature is just absolutely beautiful. Look at that. It's
gorgeous. It's absolutely beautiful. So on to our next excursion.
woohoo.
So here we are at helicopter tour, a full 60 minutes, a private helicopter for 4. So have you ever been on a helicopter before?
No, it's my first time, so I'm like super uber excited. Not nervous, not even for a second, but super excited.
I'm a little bit nervous, but super excited at the same time. And over the 60 minutes, we're going to tour all of Rio. Christ the Redeemer, Copacabana Beach, Ipanema Beach, Sugarloaf Mountain. So we're excited to take you with us. So come on inside. It's going to be awesome.
Have a nice night. Bye.
Ready? So how was that, guys? Tell me right now. So that was pretty awesome, right?
Yeah, it was amazing experience.
Nobody has to be nervous anymore, we're safe.
Yeah, it wasn't scary at all.
No, it was very smooth actually, very smooth. Thank you, sir. Have a good day.
Oh, thank you so much. It was absolutely awesome. Awesome.
Mr. President, thank you very much.
We've seen Christ the Redeemer, we've seen all these beaches, Sugarloaf Mountains from down there on the ground, but it looks so stunning from up there.
Yeah.
So it was very nice.
And we got awesome footage to share with everybody. So we made it on the tram. Now
So we had the Uber driver, but he didn't really
know where he was going.
Yeah, so instead of like...
He was like kind of asking us, is like this way?
Yeah, this way, in Portuguese, and we don't speak any Portuguese.
Even if we did speak Portuguese, we don't live here, so it's like, I don't know.
Yeah, we like...
So, anyway, see you at the top?
Yeah. It's spectacular. It's an amazing experience. Just the statue itself is just breathtaking. And look at this view.
I'm lost for words on just how beautiful our planet can be. Just absolutely love it. This is beautiful.
It's absolutely stunning experience, and I wish all of you could do the same. You just want to stay here and stare all day long.
Yeah. So here we are, Eve. How are you?
Wonderful. How are you doing?
We just came up this private elevator right here to come into our penthouse in Rio De Janeiro, Brazil. So come on, let's go on a tour.
So here we come to the open space living room. Look how big this room is. Hey, Joel.
Pool table.
Yeah.
Oh, were you saying hi to me?
Yeah,
Way
I was.
over there.
Look how big this table
So
is.
awesome space, awesome place. Who wants a hotel when you can have a penthouse apartment courtesy of AirBnB?
Yeah.
So let's come on over here, Eve, and show people the media room.
Yeah, let's do that.
Here's the media room. So if you want to watch TV, want to watch soccer, want to watch a movie, want to watch an adult movie. And then let's go this way over to the maid's quarters / kitchen.
Okay.
I'll follow you.
Okay. So this is like a small dining room?
Yeah, small dining room. You saw the big dining room in the big open space.
Yeah. This is quite big kitchen. So for those who like to cook, would be a fun place to be.
Yeah. And then here is just like a maid's quarters. They have a little bedroom over there. They can sink, they can do laundry. There's your laundry machine. So let's take people back around to the big space and upstairs. What do you say? I'll follow you.
I love this marble stairs. And I love this mirror and
And I love my view too.
oh, good to know. Let's go. So here we have some sort of like a, I don't know, living room, right?
Yeah, another little playroom, media room, relaxation room, whatever you want to call it. And then off the penthouse, you have your own terrace out there.
Oh, this is nice. Let's open.
So just really cool out here. Little barbecue, little place. People might ask, why did we get such a big place for 2 people? Because we can.
Yeah, exactly. If we can, why not? Why do we have to stay in the crampy hotels?
That's what running an online business does for you. Like while we're shooting this video, guys, we're making money. So 1 bedroom here, 2 beds, lots and lots of closet space.
I love this. Yeah. And shower. Okay, shower. Let's go to another bedroom.
Okay. This is a guest bedroom. All the bedrooms, what I like, have their own TV. So if you want to watch your own Netflix or whatever.
And each bedroom has
Its own bathroom.
bathroom. Yeah, shower and bathroom.
separate little shower and bathroom again. And then over here is another bedroom. This is the secondary master, and it has something really cool. Not just the closets, big closets, but whoa, jacuzzi, baby. Really awesome place.
And shower. So I hope you're inspired to see this beautiful place. It's nice to be in a nice cozy space when you are traveling away from home.
So stay tuned, because our next trip is coming from Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. We'll see you there.
See you there. Bye-bye.